So first take your HB pencil or a light pencil, just draw the outline. Okay, so draw this hair also somewhat the same height of this one. Make sure you give proper curves and waves, okay, on the edges. Okay, this is somewhat the outline of the hair that we're going to draw next. Okay, we're not going to draw anything in the inside right now, just the outline. Okay, so here I have made it light because this I will make it darker in the next step. Okay, because this also comes in the flow of hair. Okay, so that I will make it more darker. So just make this curve here, and then I will tell you what to do next. Okay. Yeah, so I will tell you what I did here again. So the first step was we made the outline. The second step, we made the flow of the hair. On the third step, we're going to do the shading part. Okay, so here it's not just shading that we are going to do. We are going to draw out each individual hair. Okay, and we are going to do the same method that we did here. So suppose I am taking this particular region. So can you see this particular region is similar to the first hair that we did, right? So we will make the dark shade on the top and the bottom and leave this place a little bit lighter. Okay, so that's the same thing we're going to do here. So suppose I'm taking this particular strand of hair, this particular wave. So here I'll make it dark, here I'll make it dark. Okay, and in the middle I will leave a little space white. So that is the same thing we are going to do for each and every kind of hair. Okay, so here we are doing it with the HB pencil itself. Then later we'll make it more darker. Okay, now we have done with the first shading. Okay, now what we are going to do is, now we are going to make it a little more smoother. It looks a bit rough, right? We are going to make it a little more smoother. Okay, so for making it smoother, what you have to do is take out your blending stump, okay, or your makeup brush or whatever you have. Okay, whichever blending material you have, you can take that and you can make it smoother. Okay, okay, now I have made the waves a little more smoother. Okay, now we are going to do the layer by layer by using the 4B pencil and 6B pencil. Okay, I haven't used 4B pencil here, I have just used the HB pencil. Okay, next I'm going to go with the 4B pencil. So if you're finding it difficult to do the waves, okay, so don't do the exact same waves which I have done here. You can do your own kind of waves. Okay, so you can just follow how the wave looks like. So here the wave is a little bit thicker and here the wave is a little bit thinner. So you can follow that same method and do your own waves. Okay, it doesn't have to be exactly like this. Okay, so next I'm going to take my 4B pencil and do the next tone. I'm going to make it more darker, the darkest, the shadow region, right? Those regions I'm going to make it a little more darker. Okay, so I have done with the wave portion with 4B pencil. Now what I'm going to do, so can you see this white region? So these white regions, we are going to add some fine hair strands. Okay, so for that I'll be using a mechanical pencil. Okay, so I'm going to take my mechanical pencil. So in these regions, I'm going to build out fine hair strands. Okay, now I have made the thin hair strands also. So after doing the thin hair strand, you can give the final touch. Okay, so right now my hair looks somewhat grayish kind. So I want to make it little more darker. So I'm going to take the 10B pencil, or you can use an 8B pencil and give out the dark tones for your hair to become thick and black. Okay, so when you're shading with that 10B pencil or 8B pencil, make sure you're shading it only in these regions where I have marked the shadows. Those regions only you are supposed to shade. Okay. So even if your shading looks too dark also, it is fine. So if you have a eraser pen, you can shade it more confidently, because in the end I will tell you how to do the highlight part also. Okay, so it's okay even if it is too dark. But if you don't have an eraser pen or something very like a sharp eraser, don't make it too dark. Okay, yeah. So now what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to take my eraser pen, okay, and I'm going to give few highlights. Okay,